Abstract class. Overriding methods provide the concept of one interface, multiple methods. There are situations in which we want to define a superclass that declares the structure of given abstraction without providing a complete implementation of every method. If we want to create a superclass that defines a generalized form that will be shared by all of its subclasses, leaving it to each subclass to fill the details, such a class defines nature of the method that subclasses must implement. By putting base class method as abstract, it is the responsibility of the subclass to provide the implementation for the superclass abstract method. The syntax of abstract class is abstract type method name of parameter list. An abstract class cannot have an object. An abstract class can contain non-abstract methods, and those can be accessed by subclass object. If a method contains at least one abstract method, then it must be kept abstract class. An abstract class must have subclass, and the subclass must provide implementation for abstract method. Following is the example program on abstract class, where class A is the abstract and it does not have any object. CallMe method is also made as abstract inside class A. This CallMe method will be used in another class, defined show method, to print the statement. Since it is concrete method, given the same in print statement. Now using the concept of inheritance, inheriting the properties of A to B as class B extends A, and using CallMe method of A in B with print statement. The implements of CallMe for output defining another class called abstract exa, and given capital B small b equal to new capital B inside main, calling both CallMe and show methods.